Here I have the LED ball lights. These are string lights that have little balls at the end of them. So I'm really excited because there's 1,400 LEDs, 13 feet. You can use it indoors or outdoors, ultra bright and also warm white colors. So I'm really excited to put these up. It does come with instructions, so that's great. Let me show you how I install it. Okay, so this is how they look. You can see from the size comparison of my nail to this. So they're not super big and they're not super tiny either, but they look really nice. And the plug has this little button on it so that when I push it, each time I push it, the pattern of light changes. So I'm going to plug it in now and show you the different patterns. Okay? Okay, so this is pattern 1. As you can see, it takes its time changing the different colors. Very nice and calm and slow. Okay, I'm going to push the button again and we'll see what happens, okay? Pattern 2. See, it goes faster. There's different colors, but it goes faster. And that's pattern 2. Now, pattern 3 is there. Okay, pattern 4. Very pretty. Pattern 5. Okay, and pattern 6. Ooh. Pattern 7. And then pattern 8. Wow, very pretty. So I'm going to hang it up and show you how it looks. And I'm really excited to see how it turns out. Okay, so to connect it to a hook on the mantle here where I'm going to hang it, I just kind of unwind it a little bit. Like that, and then just hang it like so. Like that. So, got them all hung up. Let me show you how it looks with the light off. Okay, so the lights are hung up and it was very easy. It took less than 5 minutes. And the lights are very bright and beautiful, and I could change the different patterns of lights. I love it. It looks so festive in here, perfect for any kind of celebration or holidays. And I'm definitely looking forward to using these year after year. They're very beautiful and easy to put up and easy to take down.